Hello friends, welcome to Prince Cups YouTube channel. I am Ramazan. Today I am going to show you an experiment that proves that air occupies space. So the required things are bottle and a bowl with water. So this is an empty bottle or the air is present inside the bottle. Let's see. So first invert the bottle into the bowl with water and press it gradually. Observe what happens. The water does not enter the bottle. Now I will tilt it slightly. See, the air inside the bottle escapes in the form of bubbles. And the water comes in. Now the bottle is completely filled with water. This proves that air occupies space. It means the bottle was not empty. Air is present inside the bottle. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.